that person might just want to dwell on that idea and might want to do something.
I'm not sure about that, because if that was the case, then there would be no crime earlier. There would be no robberies, there would be no murder, there would be no scams, there would be no rapes. These things have always existed. And actually, if you look at the statistics, there's nothing to show that these have become worse, including scams, by the way. There is a perception that scams have become much worse in recent times. Actually, scams have always existed. People have always, corruption has always existed. Murders, robberies, rape, these have existed for centuries, long before journalism. So I'm not sure if I would necessarily blame that. I mean, you could equally easily then blame entertainment, television and movies for planting the idea of becoming rich fast. Frankly, a lot more people have access to cinema than have access to TV news. And look at the number of movies that are made which actually glorify crime. I'm not just talking about Bunty Bubbly, there are a number of them, which are almost glorifying crime or lives in crime or the underworld. So, it's maybe those have as much to blame than as this does.